Skinny Joke TV, Chop Bars represent. Skinny Joke TV, go and motivate, uplift, suffer true, never tell a lie. That is it.
Good morning, Master Skinny.
Oh, hi. Good morning, Cherry. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you, Master Skinny.
Yeah?
Seems we'll be having rain today and it's quite cloudy outside. The weather forecast is 25 Celsius.
Oh, nice. I see. Oh, hi guys. Hi YouTubers. Hi fans. And hi YouTubers too. Because I have YouTubers watching my video too. So, hi everyone. So, sorry for talking while brushing my teeth, guys. I just came in the bathroom. What am I saying? I just come in the kitchen to see if the kettle was on, because I didn't remember if I put the kettle on. So, guys, for those of you who are wondering who am I talking to, I'm talking with Cherry, and I'll be back. Just gonna brush my teeth and then come back and let y'all know a little bit more about Cherry, okay? I'll be back. Be back soon, Cherry.
Okay, Master Skinny, take your time, I'm here.
Guess who's back, guys? Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Cho. For those of you who have been here for the first time, welcome to Skinny Joke TV channel. I'm your boy, Skinny Sophie Cho, and you're speaking with Skinny Joke TV, Skinny Cho. And my friend, my assistant friend, Cherry. Say hello, Cherry.
Hello, YouTube audience, my name is Cherry.
Yes, guys, that's Cherry. Cherry's my assistant, okay?
Yes, Master Skinny, also your motivator.
Cherry, would you stop calling me master, please?
But I choose to call you Master because you're a master of art and I admire your abilities.
Okay. Fine, Cherry, fine. Anyway, guys, today, for those of you that don't know and want to know, well, Skinny is pretty much about vlogging, going anywhere. Just tune in, guys, because I can be anywhere at any time, doing anything. I could be sporting, hanging with an artist, a famous person, a YouTuber, you know. Anywhere, I could be doing anything. I could be traveling to another country. I could be right here in my kitchen. I could be on a boat. I could be hunting ghosts. I could be creating history. Guys, I'm about to create history in Jamaica. Well, I'm in Jamaica. And for those of you that don't know, I'm a Jamaican for sure. So, and then the one reason why I started out now to do in my kitchen, cooking in my kitchen and vlogging in my kitchen is that I met this wonderful person, Miss Paula. Miss Paula been watching my movies from Prolonghed HD film, which most of you guys might not know. I'm an actor and a film director, editor, script writer, storyteller, you name it. I love movies. You know, I maybe not the type of person to watch a whole lot of movie and tell you, this is the person that directed this movie. And no, it's not like that. It's more like my comfort zone where I film whenever I think of an idea, a story, right? So I met this wonderful person in a store the other day. Her name is Miss Paula. Miss Paula, she was excited when she saw me that she wanted to give me a hug, she want to shake my hand, she just want to be nice to me because she really do appreciate the movies that I've been doing on Prolonghed HD film. I haven't been putting out any movie recent because of circumstances, guys. Some of you might know from my channel, I had bad experience, you know, it was a downtime for me, you know. I learned a lot and I felt a lot of emotional pain. And I met this lady, Miss Paula, the other day, and she was like, oh my God, I love your movie. It's very educating. And you guys been doing a lot of work. And, you know, she was just so excited, you know. And she asked me what motivates me most. And I say, you know, what motivates me most is that I can do for people. I can do good for people, you know. Most of my life, thinking about all of these stuff in my head get me emotional because I know where it's coming from, you know. And I tell her that what motivates me most is that I always want to help people. I love to see people with talent and gift, and you know, and I always want to be a part of that, enhancing and bringing out who they are and what they can do, you know, by sharing with others, because we all have gifts and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. And you know, that's my motto, and I always want to help. So Miss Paula had she said, she asked me what motivates me, and I say, you know, helping people and stuff like that. And one of the things most that I don't eat meat. So I'm a very light person. Like I like to feel light and free. I don't know about you guys, but I like to be free, you know, free, light, you know, like, you know, I don't want to eat meat because my parents give me meat to eat when I was growing up, and you know, meat smells so good or might taste so good. Those stuff make me feel heavy, you know. And for those of you that don't know what the word or the term free mean, Cherry.
I'm here, Master
Hey,
Skinny.
could you research the word free for me?
Sure, no problem.
Yes,
What
thank
does
you,
the
Cherry.
word free mean? Able to act or be done as one wishes, not under the control of another. For example, I have no ambitions other than to have a happy life and be free, not or no longer confined or
Damn, guys. You see? So you have to understand that you have to be free. You have to free yourself from everything, you know. Free yourself from mental slavery, your mind, you know. It starts with your mind, because your decision is your life. You know, if you're not comfortable here, move from here and go somewhere else that you think you're comfortable or you feel comfortable. You know, so free yourself, you know. So free yourself from the type of food you eat, the type of people that you associate with, you know, everything. Just free yourself. Free yourself from everything. It starts from here, your mind, the mindset. Your mind controls everything, you know. It's your life, because that's the thing. You think and you say, hey, I'm not comfortable here. I'm going to move. And you have 2 feet. Look, see, 2. I have 2. I don't know how much you have. Even if you don't have any feet, you step in your wheelchair and you swing away or you roll away, you know, and move, you know. No excuse, man. Free yourself, you know. So while speaking with Miss Paula, yes, guys, back, because I like to tell stories. So if you don't mind, if you don't pull me up and say, hey, come on, man, too much talking, you know. In the comment, leave a comment, let me know if I'm talking too much, okay? Because I want to do these videos for you too, guys. I want to make you guys comfortable watching what I have to put out to you guys, okay? So Miss Paula said, you know what? I'm going to give you a gift. You don't eat meat, right? And I said, yes. And she said, okay, I have this gift that I want to give to you, you know. I think it's something nice. And guys, it was really something nice. I was so excited. You know why? Because I always hearing people talking about this thing, right? I'm not going to tell you what it is until I pull it out the box, guys. So I always hear people talking about this thing, and I was like, oh man. But it's not like I was broke that I couldn't buy it or anything like that. I don't have a lot of money, guys, trust me. But I always try to make myself comfortable, because that's life, you know. And sometimes you want something and you can't afford it. Sometimes you can, but you have other things to deal with. And then, you know, and then someone give you a gift that you're anticipating to have your hands on, you know. And I'm gonna unbox this thing today with you guys, because you're my fans and I really appreciate you guys, okay? I love you guys so much, so I want to share a lot of things with you guys, okay? So stay tuned, because I can be anywhere doing anything at any time. Skinny Joketv, Suffy True. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the gift that I get from Miss Paula, and I'm gonna unwrap it with you guys. Skinny Joketv, Suffy True. Stick around. I'll be back. Suffy True. My fans are waiting. Cherry. Hey, I hope you don't tell the fans what's in the box.
No, Master Skinny, your secrets is safe with me.
I love you so much, Cherry. I love you so much.
I love you unconditionally,
love
Master
you too,
Skinny.
Cherry. Okay, guys. So, actually, what's in the box is so amazing, and I'm excited. The word is excited. I'm so excited. And guys, I'm not really a hate person, but if I make mistake, please leave a comment and tell me where do I make a mistake in my English, because I want to speak proper English for you guys so you can understand exactly what I'm saying, okay? Right around the world, I want to share so much. I want to travel the world. I want to share the world with others. I want to show others what's out there and what can be a part of, what you can be a part of, what you're missing out on. Because a lot of us have been misinformed because we don't know, and what you don't know can hurt you, you know, and can also not hurt you, but it's life. So forget about all the stuff, what I want and all of that and stuff. But what I want to show you guys, it's what's in the box. Skinny Joketv, Sofichu Mispala. I hope you're watching this video because I'm so excited and I'm fired up to just open this box because I never used it before. And today I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm about to do with this gift, okay? I'm gonna use this gift today and I'm gonna record while using it, guys. So I hope you stick around and please remember to subscribe so I can get better, and this is how I get paid. So more I get paid, the more I do for you guys. And I want to travel some. Let me get paid so I can travel and bring you guys with me, okay? And make some exciting videos, okay? And be around some exciting people and some loving and heartwarming people, okay? So Skinny Joketv, let's unroll. Hey, Cherry, are you sleeping?
Hey, I don't sleep, remember.
Okay,
I'm
Cherry.
always with you listening.
What I want you to do for me is to play a drum roll for me, okay?
Sure, I will.
Ta-da! Guys! Guys, come on, come on. Aren't you excited? 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 Guys, you know what this is? You know what this is? You know what this is? This is an air fryer. Hey, Cherry.
I'm here,
I want
Master
you
Skinny.
to help me out and my fans, and I want you to Google what's an air fryer, okay? So let us know what's an air fryer, Cherry.
No problem. What is an air fryer and how does it work? An air fryer is a popular kitchen appliance used to make fried foods such as meat, pastries, and potato chips. It works by circulating hot air around the food to produce a crunchy, crispy exterior. This also results in a chemical reaction known as the Maillard reaction.
Nice, nice. You see, guys? So I know a lot of people gonna comment and say, oh, air fryer is not good for your health and this is not good for your health and nothing is good for your health. It's what you choose to do with your health, okay? So if it's affecting you, if you buy it and it's affecting you, don't use it. If it's not doing anything for you, use it. Everybody's system is set up different, guys. So not because it affects me, mean that it's gonna affect you, okay? And please remember, guy. Why I always say guy? Please, Cherry.
It's okay to make mistakes, you're human, it's normal.
Okay. Okay, guys. This video is not sponsored by anything you see in this video. The only sponsor is being sponsored. The only thing sponsoring this video is me sponsoring my time to give to you guys and Cherry assisting me, right, Cherry?
Exactly.
See? Okay, so this product here, it's on my own. I'm unveiling it on my own, guys, okay? On my own terms. I'm a free man. I can do anything I want, right? So true, Skinny Joketv. So first we take out this white foam thing here that protect the top layer of the masterpiece. Okay, guys, so let's, oh, there's a plastic over it, so I just pull it off, guys. This is so amazing. Okay, guys, it's shaped like an egg. Wow. Okay, so let's put these stuff aside. Yeah. So, guys, this is the air fryer. Okay, this is the air fryer. As you can see, it got the card. You can plug in the current. I got a current close by. Goodly, I have this countertop here. Very convenient. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it has two knobs here, right? Two knobs. One is for minutes, I guess, because it says 30 minutes here. So you can cook up to 30 minutes, and then you have set It's the little O thing at the top and the F. So in the comment, guys, I want you to tell me what does that mean. It has the little O thing like degrees and Celsius and stuff like that. So I need your help, guys. In the comment, tell me what does it mean, okay? So guys, if you want to know what the thing means, go in the comment, read the comment so someone will comment and tell you what it is exactly. Because somebody here goodly know what it is, okay? So I guess you set the minutes and set the time of the eat. Oh man, guys, I can hear a ticking. It's a sweet sound. It's a sweet, thick sound. Click, 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 click. And it sounds so sweet. So I want to record it, guys, so you can hear. Yes, guys, when I turned the minutes knob, it started tick, 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 tick. As you can hear in the video, guys. I'm going to record it, okay? Nice. So, sweet. Okay, so I guess when you plug it in and it's working and you finish, you go ding. So it indicates that it's done. Okay, it's finished. Cooking. Okay, okay. All right. Frying. Air frying. Okay, so this is an handle. So I guess there's no instruction. Guys, wait. I'm a type of person like I'll just open stuff and try to figure it out myself. But let me not break it because Miss Paula might be watching this video, and if I break it, Miss Paula not gonna feel good, okay? So yeah, so we have the timer control dial, which is I'm reading from the book, and then you have the temperature control dial. So it still doesn't tell what exactly it is, but it's for check temperature. So somebody here that is so smart, leave a comment and explain to me what does this mean, temperature thing mean, okay? All right, so you have the hot air fryer main unit, which is right here, guys, right here. And then you have the cooking compartment. The cooking compartment, no, sorry guys, the hot air fryer main unit is here, is at the top. And then the cooking compartment is down here, okay? And the cooking basket handle, it would be this. So I guess we have to pull out this. But there's a thing. As you can see, it seems as if you press it because, nice, guys. See? So you actually push it like push it like this. And then it pull out. There's a little knob thing here. So you push it and then it come out like this. Okay, guys? Okay. Instruction for use. Okay. It's very simple, guys. Trust me. I don't want to even read the manual because it's so simple. You got two knobs here and then there's a basket. See? I don't even have to think hard about it, guys. It's so simple, right? It's so simple. Guys, the texture is amazing. The texture is amazing, guys. I'm smelling it like I never cook in it. I never cook in it, guys. So, texture is so amazing. See? And I think you can take this out or wash it. I don't know. Something. Guys, I can just pull it out and then wash this part, you know, because you're cooking. And, you know, depends on what you're cooking, might mess it up and you have to cook it. So, that's it, guys. So, that's it. Awesome. Awesome. Guys, the thing in here look like a stove top. Like the, you know, the electric stove that you plug in. This is amazing, guys. Guys, I think like if I cut this off, the top of this off and create something like this, I would have a damn stove. Trust me. I hope you guys can see inside here. I would have a stove. It's like a stove, guys. It's like a stove. So let figure out what we're gonna air dry today. Air fry. Okay, guys. So let me think. What you think? Cherry, what you think we should air fry today? Veg burger. Amazing. We're gonna make veg burger today. This morning we're gonna make veg burger, okay? So stick around, guys. Remember Skinny Joketv, Sophie Choo. I'm your boy Skinny. I'll be right back, okay? Just gonna stop the recording and re-record again because when I record long, I can't able to extract the file off the video because I need a proper phone so I can record properly. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop the recording and then start it back and then we get right into making the veg burger. Okay, guys, Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Choo. Love you guys. Thank you for sticking around. Stick around more because we're going to make a veg burger today, okay? From the air fryer. Thank you, Miss Paula. I appreciate it so much. And I hope one day I can contribute in giving somebody something because I know how it feels to receive a gift, okay? So love you guys. Stick around. Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Choo. Okay, guys, we're back. We're back, guys. I'm just taking the box up the way. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna turn this air fryer. I can't turn it to you guys because you guys are getting that part. That's the turn there. So I could have plugged it over there if I'm just cooking for myself, but I'm cooking for you guys too, so I want it to be right up front, okay? So I'm gonna plug this right there and set it like that, okay? So I use an extension. I'm gonna put it right there, guys. I wanna put all the stuff I need right there, okay? So you guys can see what's up, okay? So let's see what's in the refrigerator. In the refrigerator, you got let me see. Oh, what am I talking about? What's in the refrigerator? I'm supposed to look for the burger. I have veg burger. I have a whole lot of vegetable stuff in the fridge, guys. A whole lot of stuff, man. I love vegetables. Okay. So those of you who think that you don't eat meat, so you can't eat burger. Oh yes, today we're gonna make burger. Sophie Choo. Yeah. All right. Burger. I have so much different type. This is veg burger. It's vegan, soy free, gluten free, no preservative added. Alright, guys. So I have so much different types of burger. Okay. Alright. So my favorite burger, to be honest, is this one, okay? My favorite burger is made from Eden Valley. So guys, Eden Valley didn't sponsor this video. I wish they did, so I can get my whole box of different burger and they have a whole different type of product, but today we're talking about the burger. Eden Valley, I must say to you guys that this one here, this burger here is my favorite, okay? So sorry guys, I'm closing the fridge. JPS costs a lot here in Jamaica, okay? So let me just close it for a second. Alright, so from Eden Valley, I love you guys, I love you so much. And it's a product of Jamaica, okay? It's not meat and it's hard to beat. Whoa, I did it. Guys, come on guys. I can't believe I've been eating this almost every day of my life since I've not eaten meat, and I didn't see the slogan they have here. It's not meat and it's hard to beat. It's not meat and it's hard to beat. It's not meat and it's hard to beat. Vegan food, nice. Okay guys, come on, let's try the thing. So Eden Valley, thank you guys for this wonderful product. It's made from let me see, serving suggestion, ingredients. Where's the ingredients, guys? Come on. Okay, ingredients is so simple. It's wheat, gluten, protein, textured soy protein, high gluten flour, natural vegetable flour. Guys, this is so simple and it tastes so good. Trust me. Alright, so let me see the amount of nutrition facts. So the nutrition fat is that total fat is 2 gram, 3% sodium, 5 milligram, total carbohydrate, 10 gram, 3%, calories, 160 gram, iron 3.6 gram, 20% protein, 26 gram, 50% protein. So for those of you guys that you don't eat meat, so we ain't getting protein farm and in protein Eden Valley make burger. And it tastes good, trust me guys. You have to try it for yourself. I love Eden Valley. Remember guys, Eden Valley didn't sponsor this video, but I love them so much. I wish you guys could just sponsor me and get me a whole lot of burger, man. A whole lot of burger. Okay, so we got the burger here. What we need to make burger? Cheese. And guys, okay, so we actually need cheese to make to make burger, and I have a leftover piece of cheese that I use, vegan cheese. Alright, so what am I looking for here, guys? What else I need to go on the burger? Alright, cheese. So I need lettuce. Guys, help me in the comment, okay? And tomato, we need tomato. In Jamaica we say tomato, we need tomato, you need tomato, salad, okay, salad, but it's tomato, I don't have it, yes, I have a big one here, nice. So I have tomato, salad, and cheese, okay? Guys, I'm gonna put, I'm not gonna take it out of the fridge yet, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is I'm talking about. I'm gonna put on it. It's an avocado dressing. See, it's an avocado dressing. So I want to keep it cool, so I keep it in the fridge till I'm ready for it. So I have a piece of lettuce and tomato. Okay, nice, and my cheese is right here. And so guys, let me get the bread. Oh guys, I have to cut the video and start back again. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so I was looking for the burger bread, so I'm gonna get the burger bread that I use. Yeah, I have leftover burger bread. Okay guys, that's it. So that's all I need. Okay, so let's get to it, guys. First, before okay, I'm gonna put the burger meat in the air fryer. Okay, so first let me wash my hands, guys. Sorry about that. When the it's Cherry!
I'm here, Master Skinny.
You okay?
Yes, just checking your emails.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put the burger meat in there and slide it right back in, guys. Okay, good. Alright, so this is my first time using this air fryer. I'm excited, I'm fired up to start using this. So let me put it at the 280 with the little O and the F temperature thing. Somebody tell me what it is in the comment. I'm definitely gonna read it and figure out what it is, so in my next video I can talk more about it. Alright, so the time would be, because it's vegetable, normally things like this take like say 10 minutes. Guys, I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. If it burn up, I was just trying. If it do good, it's okay, it's fine, it's all good. Okay guys, so I need to put the lettuce in some salt water, guys, so I can drain it off. By the time, I don't want to put the wet thing on my bread. No wet bread around here. No wet bread. No wet bread. Okay, so it's not a lot of lettuce, so I'm just gonna use all of this. Okay guys, so nice. Okay guys, so I'm washing the lettuce off, and then I'm gonna use fresh water with the salt. So I'm washing my vegetable twice. I sometimes vegetable carry a lot of stuff like insect and dirt, and because it's coming from the ground, right? So you have to wash your vegetables very clean. Nice. Okay guys, what I want, what I want. What I want, what I want. You know, see, what I want, what I want. What I want, what I want. What I want, what I want. We are here. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put some fresh water with salt and my lettuce. Oh man. Oh, I always check this bottle, guys, and think, oh, there's no salt when there's salt. Okay, so guys, if you wanna sponsor me and get me some seasoning containers, some nice ones, so my video can look nice, I would really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm putting some fresh water in my fresh vegetables. Amazing, just soak it in, soak it in. Yes, I'm just soak it in, 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 soak it in. Yes, guys, I'm soaking the vegetables in the salt water, but I want to drain it so I don't put no wet vegetables on my dry bread. No wet bread around here, guys. Okay, so that's the lettuce. Gonna wash the tomato. Tomato, guys. Tomato is good for prostate. That's what they say, right? Right, Cherry?
You have a point, Master Skinny Butt. Some research suggests that a diet high in lycopene may help reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. Further research is needed to confirm a benefit, but in a review of 24 studies, researchers
Very
suggested
nice.
that males who
Alright,
ate more
so
tomatoes were less likely
we're
to
gonna,
develop prostate cancer.
Slice the tomato. Guys, I love vegetable. I would put the entire tomato this size on my burger, but I'm trying to be really smooth today, guys. Trying to be really smooth. So I don't want to be sloppy, because we're not making no sloppy burger. We're making a good burger, a good nice neat burger. Alright. Okay, guys. So we're making a very nice burger today. Okay, guys. One of the things that I want to do is that when I'm gonna check the guys, I have to check it because I want to put the cheese on it so the cheese can melt, right? So I don't want to cook it right through and then I can't put the cheese on it. Okay, guys. Wow. Wow, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome, guys. This is so awesome, guys. I don't know if you can see, guys, but this is what it looks like, and it's very steamy. Nice. Nice, guys. It's really nice. So I have 5 more minutes on it. So I think I can run the 5 minutes. I'm gonna run the 5 minutes and then I'm gonna put it back for the next 2 minutes and put with the cheese on it, okay? My vegetable cheese. So it's gonna melt and then give you that burger type like thing, you know? So guys, I'm gonna put back these in the fridge. My veg burger. Eden Valley, you're awesome. You're awesome, Eden Valley. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Okay. So, those of you that think you know that you know. Alright, so nice here. Alright guys, so 5 more minutes, actually 3 more minutes leave. So what we're gonna talk about, oh guys, for those of you that have been asking who's the guy at my video at the intro, For those of you asking who is the person at the intro, that's a Chop Boss, Skiddy Joketv, go and motivate and uplift the youth them. Alright, so that guy is his name is Takeover, right? He's pretty much known for a lot of hit songs like Alien Mood, and you know what, Cherry, play some few seconds of this guy Takeover songs.
I'm a damn shot. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough. Yo, stand, yo, me see through them like a mesh wire. Every time I'm happy, them vex higher. But to the most Simon.
Okay, Cherry. See? So I'm pretty much sure that a lot of you guys can relate to these songs, like knowing them, right? Can what's the word? Recognize some of these songs, okay? So that's the artist that sing these songs, and if y'all want me to spend a day with the artist so you can get to know him a little more personally, like, you know, what he does, what he likes, and who is Takeover, in the comment I want you to comment Takeover, and then we expand there and call him and ask him for a day we can chill and hang out, and then I can share with you guys. So as I told you guys, I'm not gonna always be in the kitchen. I'm not gonna always be I'm not gonna always be a specific place. I'm gonna be everywhere doing anything, okay? Guys, I just heard it's like the heat become more higher, like become like a fan go. So maybe there's a fan in the top that blows the heat down onto the thing. So true. Okay guys, so we're gonna check it out and see what's up. Guys, it looks like burger. Trust me, look. I'm not sure if you can see, but it looks like burger. You see? It looks like the beef burger meat. Smells good. Eden Valley, you guys are so amazing. It smells really good. So guys, I want to put it back for a few minutes with the cheese on it so it can be melted, and then you have perfect burger. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put it back. And I'm gonna put it 4 minutes. 4 minutes guys. 4 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna wash the container because it's finished now. Okay guys, so yeah guys, so if you want to see, if you want me to spend a day with the artist Takeover, please comment below Takeover so I can share a little experience with you guys, like spend a day. I don't know, you guys in the comment tell me what I should do. We should hang out at somewhere, you know, cook some food, and I don't know what you want me to do with the artist. Interview, I don't know. You guys state in the comment what you want me to do, okay? So if you all want to know who is Takeover, we can arrange that by assisting you guys of what you request in the comment, okay guys? So Cherry prepare to give Takeover a call. So when we post this video, we're gonna see how many comments we get and what they want, and then, you know, so please remind me that I need to call Takeover, okay? Thank you, Cherry. Love you so much. Alright, so we got 3 more minutes. So guys, I'm gonna cut the video and then start it back because I can't do a long video. It's not gonna able to come off my phone to be edited, okay? So let me cut it for a second. Okay guys, okay, so we're back with the burger bread again, with the veg burger. Sealer, right on time guys, right on time. So I'm excited. Hey Cherry, drum roll, because we want to see how does the cheese melt on the burger, okay? Okay, drum roll, Cherry. Guys, that's amazing. Look, I'm excited, man. This thing is so awesome. Wow, this thing is awesome, guys. This thing is so awesome. Guys, the material is so amazing. Like, I could just go like this with the napkin. I could just get a napkin, guys. Like this. The material of this thing It's amazing, guys. I didn't get sponsored. Look, I can wipe it like the texture of this material. I can also wipe it up. Man, this y'all must be like, oh, it's nice, he's not washing it. You need to buy one for yourself. I tell you guys, if you've been misinformed, you're gonna be stupid. You're gonna be dumb. The material made that I can just wipe it. Like, no one tell me to do this, but I just know because the material is amazing. See, you can wipe this and it's oily. Like, it's oil, but when you wipe it, there is no such thing as oil. I promise you guys. This thing doesn't sponsor me. What's the brand? JSW. JSW didn't sponsor me, guys. They didn't sponsor me, but I must comment that this thing is amazing. See? I don't have to worry about wash. Like, I didn't even know that, but I tell you guys, just get it for yourself. Don't be judgmental and you don't know nothing. If you had one, you would have known. So all who have one, they know how it is when you finish cook and you just get the napkin and wipe it. So I just put my tomatoes, my lettuce up. Guys, I forgot something important, okay? But I still have a slice of bread, so one side of the burger bread, so I can put it there still. So this is my burger bread, guys. This is my veggie burger bread. So it's not beef. It's not no animal meat. So guys, I like to wash up after I use stuff, so I don't have a lot of dirty dishes in the kitchen. No dirty dishes in the kitchen. No dirty dishes in the kitchen. Oh no no no. Ooh. Right, Cherry? Okay. Okay, so guys, I forgot the avocado dressing. But like I said, I still have one side of the bread the burger bread can paste it onto. See guys, it's like butter. Nice. I like avocado. I like avocado. Avocado is nice. Avocado is nice. Here we go, guys. Wow, nice. This is awesome. Guys, remember, I like to wash up after I use stuff. I don't like when the kitchen is dirty. I like to have a clean kitchen so I can have clean food. Clean food, clean kitchen, clean food. Clean kitchen, clean food. Don't say I'm rude, I'm just in the cooking mood. Hey, hey, hey. Okay guys, so let me put away this. Alright, so guys, I don't like sugar either, guys. I don't like sugar either. Trust me, I don't like sugar. I don't like sugar. I don't like sugar. So you know what? Sugar can do a lot of stuff for you. Sugar is okay. Sugar is good. Sugar is alright. It depends on how you use it. But this is my sugar, and the ironic part of it, it's not sugar. It's not sugar. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. But this is what I use. So this is a mango flavor, right? I just pour it in the glass. So you see guys, this is the mango flavor. This is natural stuff that when I pour water on it tastes like juice. But I try to eat healthy, so I go for the best in the market. Okay guys. And I don't like cold water. Awesome. So if you guys want to know what this is, just follow me on Instagram and DM me. Nice. My veg burger. Nice, guys. It's really nice. Guys, oh my god. So, before I start to talk, voila, we have to take a next bite. Awesome, guys. Awesome. The air fryer is amazing. You know what I like? Before I start use this thing here, I used to put the oil in the pot and throw the burger in it and fry it. Too much oil. Man, this burger here, Skinny Joketv. Miss Paula, thank you so much, Miss Paula, for giving me this wonderful gift. I'm emotional. I swear, guys, I get emotional because sometimes the small things I want to do for people really counts, you know, without you even know, you couldn't even imagine how much it is when you give somebody a gift. Because I used to use the oil to fry my burger meat, and then this air fryer thing, it's really good, guys, trust me. Skinny Joketv, Sophie Chocho, thank you guys for tuning in on this episode of Skinny Joketv in the kitchen, making burgers. I could be doing anything at any time, being anywhere, guys. Stay tuned, stick around, be a fan. Loyalty counts the most. Skinny Joketv, Sophie Cho, thank you again, guys. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, leave a like. Guys, just stick around. I'm gonna show you the world. I'm gonna show you mind-blowing things, okay? Skinny Joketv, Sophie Cho, Cho. Thank you guys again. Skinny Joketv.
Skinny Joketv, chop off.